I'm sure the worm gears are already super loose in this thing already. Let's get that stupid ass piece of crap ignition in here. China special. We keeping this?
No.
Good. This wire looks like cheap crap. Probably because it is. So who wants an ignition?
Yeah, exactly.
Got a special price going this week. Volume discount.
Yeah.
Buy one, get one that we want to give you away for free. We only got one. So this will work on any Evo, Sportster or Big Twin, shovel head, cone motor anyway. I'm just going to make it all the way off here without breaking. There's a lot rolling. We need to grommet it. We're halfway there. There's more rolling than sliding. See?
Oh wow.
Perfect. Good to go at half the price. We'll put this back in. We like this part. Alright. Looks better already. See the worm gear now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so look up here. See how much we're moving this?
Mm-hmm.
I have to lock this up. We still have that much, see? So that's how much is in the circuit breaker.
Okay.
And we got twice as much in this, or 3 times as much here. Now some of that's just up and down. There's very little up and down. It's almost all just in the teeth. Can't fix that. That's why we try to keep it to a minimum by having that gear relatively tight. Anyway, that's a lot of spark scatter there. It's not a good design, but it is what it is.
Why is that gear in reverse?
Because cone motors come off the cam gear and it runs counterclockwise because it's one gear up. This goes down to another gear to another gear. Every time you go through a gear, it reverses action.
Okay.
So this one's going this way, this one goes this way, this one's going this way, and then the worm gear, I'm not sure which way it's wound.
Mm-hmm.
Went the direction it wants to go. So with a point ignition, it goes one direction. With electronic, that fits off of here, it's made to go counterclockwise. This one goes clockwise.
Mm-hmm.
So you reverse the worm gear, and then this will run counterclockwise like your electronic ignition wants to be.
Okay.
So this is made to be the same diameter as a cone motor. So this is the same as a cone.
Sure.
So you take any cone ignition, drop it in the hole. You use anything. There's a copy fire over here. This one here would fit in there. See how it fits in there?
Mm-hmm.
So anything will fit in the hole. If you grab me one of those Ultima boxes over there. Whatever it is. Right here. ignition. It'll fit in there.
It's that rubber grommet.
You see the amount of clearances they have in here?
Oh, okay.
Precision fit.
Yeah.
So this one had the same precision fit.
So anything fits, right?
They want to make sure anything will fit in that hole.
Exactly.
It'd be nice if it was a tighter fit than that, but it is what it is. So this, run to the grommet. If it'll go. Just have to get this to go run through. Got it want to go. Didn't want to go.
No, got it.
Ah. I didn't want to do that. Oh well, it'll go back in. This grommet's got a good lift out. Yeah, was sliding pretty good. Now it's just rolling. Yeah, whatever. Eventually it gets up to a long
Yeah, it likes to roll.
Now you pull it back a little bit. Makes it easy to go. I gotta try to get the grommet back in the hole. I got a real ignition now. Trying to shove a fat snake in there. There you go. There, shut up, open horror. Where's our screws at? I don't like that. Pull the rubber out again. It's stubborn. Tear the rubber finally. Okay, so this has to hold here and here, so have to pull more rubber through. A little bit more. See a little V-notch? It's supposed to be over there. That's how it's supposed to be. But being a distributor model, it doesn't have to be. I don't know why it doesn't cup. I don't know if we're hitting on this here or the cup itself is the problem. We're hitting on this here. Clip is in the way. See those two?
Mm-hmm.
Wherever the clip is, probably won't fit there. So this one here has the same problem. It's right where the clips are at. So they made this where the clip gets in the way of this. Doesn't fit. Keeps you from doing what we want to do. Those are, they should be in the same spot. It's just these are a lot bigger. One in there. All right. So I don't want the wire going right next to it because that's really hard on the wire. You always want to have room for playing the wire around. So put it over here. We can put the screw wherever we want it, have the wire not interfering with anything.
Mm-hmm.
We can draw a little bit more wire out of here if we want to. We even lay that over there like that if we have to. But with this system here, we have a lot of room on top, so it doesn't have to be. It can lay right on top like this. It won't make any difference. See, it doesn't care about being in there.
Mm-hmm.
What's nice about distributor, you can put this in wherever you want to. It'll fit. The problem with this is so loose. It's not concentric.
Right.
So you gotta make sure you push down. Otherwise it hits. So that third cup is made wrong. It's not concentric on the shaft. See how it wobbles? It's back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
So Taiwan Teddy cup is not too flat. Hold distributor. Okay. Yeah, fingers first. Looks like that should be made square. You would hope. They're gonna need a cup for their ignition anyway. Get that one. This one looks better anyway, it's got a better gold to it. Real important, huh?
Right.
So this does not fit very well in there. This one's a little bit narrower than this one.
Mm-hmm.
Can't get in there, measure it. My guess is it's slightly different. There's your girlfriend.
Just causing a ruckus out there.
Enough like a couple tons of pressure to square everything up.
Yeah.
Let's see, this one has that. So how concentric is this one? Looks a lot better.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see a wobbling.
No.
Doesn't even need a screw. It'll need one eventually though. Oh, that's supposed to have a washer in it? It's not even the right size washer. Size difference. Yeah, it's close. Yeah. Yep, pretty good. Yeah. Quality. I thought this stuff was low quality.
Just a slight size difference.
You can tell a quality change just by color and how it looks. But, junk. Same thread.